So come with us.
We going that way?
We invite you to a mounthood hiking adventure. Join us, shall you?
Today only. Good morning, happy hiking Friday.
Hello and welcome back to episode 3 of our hot, sweaty, hiking volcano summer series. It's definitely not hot.
No, we're at Mount Hood today and
Yep.
it's a little overcast and I think about like 60 degrees, but that's okay.
A little bit of rain.
We are still counting it as our volcano series.
And today we are hiking from Timberline Lodge to Zig Zag Canyon, a nice, easy 5 miles, 900 feet. It's going to be beautiful. Hopefully the sun will come out, and after that we'll give you a little tour of
Timberline Lodge. Yeah, we'll take you around and give you a little tour. Let's do this.
Let's go. Let's go.
You need a wilderness permit.
Okay. That's cool. Made it. That was pretty quick. That was a short hike.
It's short. No, it's because we had all the decline on the way up, or on the way here, and all the incline on the way back.
2.51 miles and 164 feet. Wow. We just kicked ass.
We have like 740 feet to climb on the way back.
Yep.
That'll be fun. That's okay. We're just really earning our beer up at Timberline Lodge when we get back, so.
All right, that's it from Zigzag Canyon. Beautiful, beautiful. And now we're gonna make our trek back up to
Literally up.
Timberline Lodge. And we'll see you there.
Yeah. All right, let's go. All right, hike is done. We did 5 miles, 900 feet in elevation in 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Easy hike today.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Take the whole family. Anybody could do it.
Dogs.
Yeah.
Grandma.
Yep. Got a little busy on the way back. A lot of PCTers and
Families.
It's Friday, so.
Yeah.
But
all right, now it's time to go check out Timberline Lodge. So, and go find what?
Oh, bears?
Bears? Bears.
Guess we earned one.
Yep.
2, 3, 4. What? That was amazing.
Yeah.
Little trek through
Timberline Lodge.
Yeah.
It
Beer,
was used
pizza.
as the outside of The Shining, which was filmed in like 1979, came out in 1980. They just used the exterior of it for the hotel, so pretty cool.
Yep.
It was built in like 1930s.
1936 to 38.
Well, that is our time at Mount Hood for today.
Yep.
It's been an awesome day up here doing our 3rd volcano
In 3 weeks.
in 3 weeks.
Oh
Easier hike.
my.
Had some great pizza, great beer, wandered around Timberline. Great area to explore, so definitely recommend coming up here. But
Amazing.
all right.
On to the next Mount Adams next week.
And then
Stay
we'll be
tuned.
done with our hiking volcano series and on to Alaska.
Yes.
All right, well, that is it for this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's do this before a car comes.
Yes. Good morning.
I got that on camera.
No campfires in here.
What?
None.
What? Oh. Okay. Oh my.
Oh man.
And that is a day. We were gonna ride the chairlift, but no. Yeah. Oh. Oh my. You got grandma yelling at everybody. Anyway, hey, how's it going?
Oh.